Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Erin, and for me, makeup is no limited. And today is a makeup tutorial videos about this makeup. Actually, I changed my plan for today's filming because I got a big pimple here. It came out about 3 years ago, and it get a little bit smaller than yesterday, but it's still a big one, just right here. So I have to change my plan and try to cover it with these stickers. And before getting started, please make sure you subscribe my channel. And yeah, let's get started. Really want to know you guys' thoughts about my videos. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.